Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen now. So I was accessing right from scratch. I think because did I told you about our ESXi in your training previously?
No, that you just said what is that ESXi and all those things. Just an overview you just you have given this.
On that day, I have not accessed the server.
Oh, one day on EVNG you have accessed that server patch. On that particular day, that was the last working day. That was the last working day. That time I couldn't able to.
Yeah. I think from Office Lab server I accessed from entity Office server.
Yes.
That is the free version what they have installed. Only some team they have installed it. Okay, before I jump for these things, first understand. So how it has been installed, because even for your lab also it's quite very helpful for you guys. See, to learn the networking, so there is a lot of software-based emulators are available. Okay, so as you know that first, I think right now we are doing a Cisco packet tracer, right?
Yes.
Okay, so another thing is which I used almost 10 years, GNS3. So graphic network simulator. So then now the latest one is EVENG. Okay, again they have, I think, Pinit Lab. Okay, so and this is the only for virtual labs. Almost all many institutes, your training company, they use EVNG. See, what is the limitation of the Cisco packet tracer is? So this is suitable only for CCNA.
Yes.
Only Cisco we can learn. Okay, whereas GNS, okay, all vendors we can able to run. All vendors like your IBM, okay, your HP, okay, your Huawei, Cisco, your Palo Alto, Checkpoint, Fortinet, Sophos. It's a lot of like Riverbed also we can do it. These all vendors we can do in your GNS as well as EVNG. The good feature why they have EVNG has become very popular means it will give support both for a GUI interface and CLI interface. Okay, and both they have a very big competition right now in network stimulation, because almost on every network engineer, okay, so they use now EVNG because it has got a lot of feature compared to EVNG. EVNG, like your GNS has got some issues. Sometimes it get disconnected. So as I told you that EVNG, again, it has got the two version. One is community, which is free. This one. So one more is your professional. And this one, I think you have to pay. I think almost 1,000 USD. Yeah, per year. And these all things are preloaded, almost all everything. These all things, okay, especially Cisco, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, Fortinet, and some almost all major vendors. Because designing in EVNG is very good, guys. There is a very good feature which I liked, because only GNS, okay, I use almost 10 years. Very difficult because we must have all the image files. We need to load. So, okay, EVNG also, it will give the support for your web browser feature, which you are doing today. using web browser, okay, we can access here locally or remotely. So right now we are doing the locally because which I have connected now. So now how does it work, guys? Plus understands. Okay, this is my server, so where I have installed. So this is my Dell R720. So on the top of it, okay, I have installed VMware ESXi. It is one of the VMware product. Okay. In that, I have installed like lot of VMs. Now, which are the VMs I have installed? So, say example, this I installed Windows Server, and this is your Windows 10. Here I install EVNG. So here I install Kali Linux. So here I install some Cisco Nexus switches. A lot of things we can install, like your Red Hat. This all we'll call it as a VM. Okay, and this is called, we'll call it, what we'll call this, we will call it as a bare metal. That is a physical device. On the top of it, we install the VMware product, that is a VMware ESXi, I think 7.2U I have installed, this which is the latest one. So in that, which I, because right now EVNG I am using professional. It's not a community version, free version. Understood, guys? So these things, how I have connected. So as you know that for the server, you have the 4 ports. All are 1 gig port, means totally how much? 4 gig.
4 gig.
Okay, so these I have connected to my layer 2 switch. This is my layer 2 switch. So this is how I have connected. And this one, again, I have connected to my router. So this switch, again, I have connected to my router. And this router is connected to my ISP. ISP, this is my Wi-Fi connections. This is my router and this is my layer 2 switches. Because I asked Tariq Mamu to give layer 3 switches, okay, which all 2 devices will make it into 1 device. And these ports will support only 100 gig, 100 Mbps. Okay, and this support will support 4 gig. Okay, so if I have the layer 3 switches, I can make it bundle this one. Means the communication will be quite very
single,
fast.
like a single port.
Yeah,
single point of port.
I can do Ether channel.
That channel.
I think I explained you right in the
Yes.
switching concept. Maybe next week I'll start.
Yes.
Okay, this I want layer 3 switches. This is how the lab setup, how I had done it. Okay, so let's see. Let access my this thing. Let clear this. Okay, my server IP address, yesterday I was discussing that one. Okay, I think you can see, right, guys? I can able to access my server. Let me log in. Okay, so I log into my VMware ESXi. So we can see, if you want to see my hardware details, so we can see from here. Yeah, so we can see, right? So this is my Dell product, and PowerEdge R72, 16 CPU. I think hexa-core is 2650 microprocessor with RAM of 192, but it's showing here. These are no problem. Okay, the IP address which we are using here is server IP address 0.200. Okay, the gateway is a gateway 0.1 for this. 0.1. Okay, so I can reach to this all casing. So because I have installed here, you can see the EVNG product. Okay, which I have not yet on anything. I installed Windows 2019 Nexus switches, and this is my own free version which I have installed. Okay, Taj EVNG, because I have installed it was a free version, and these two are the paid one. So EVNG, and this is for DevNet. DevNet lab I'm going to set up in maybe I think next week. So let's on this, because if you check here, see I have given 8 CPU and 32 GB of RAM for this. So let's start this. So as you know that, so today, so I'm going to discuss about your so Ibgp pairing. Okay, the topology is, let's boot that. Okay, so the topology goes like this. Same topology which we were doing yesterday. This is my R1. And this is my R4. So network, guys, I'm using very simple network. Okay, I don't want to go give any complex network. So here I want to use 1.0.0.0/8. So here 2.0.0.0/8. So here I'll use 3.0.0.0/8. So here 4.0.0.0/8. Okay, for gigabytes Ethernet, so here I'm using a network like 10.0.0.0/8. Very simple network, I want to use it.
20, 30, as we did it just the previous lab.
Yes, just to avoid confusion, because
Yes,
later on, like however, as per your requirement, you ask your manager or this thing, they want according to their requirement. So that's the reasons I'm being very simple to understand. Later on, you can change like however you want.
yes.
Yes,
That
so
we can design it however we want.
Oh,
But the
which
thing
are the
is,
IP address. One more thing important, guys, because what are the things I'm doing it? Okay, same thing, can copy the command, we can paste it in real devices.
yes.
Okay, because they will not give, because if you send anything, they ask you, they'll give 5-6 racks to implement BGP OSPF. Okay, so you're not supposed to do that. First, you do it in EVNG. Okay, check whether all are working or not. Apply the configure everything. Then same command, copy and paste it and push on your real racks devices.
Just like this is like a blueprint of any architecture.
Exactly. Okay, so this is the topology, guys. So I'm going to pairing this all topology here. Okay, let's do. Okay, now it is loaded now. Root EVE. The password. So we can see my IP address has given 195. Can I see the IP address, how we can access here? So this is my IP address. That is 195. The IP address, full IP address 192.168.0.195. Okay, this is a PNet interface which has been connected, and this is 13.1, so which I can connect to their server. Okay, so if you want to check, how do I check? As you know that it is Ubuntu based, that is a Linux based one. Okay,
Ubuntu.
IF Ubuntu. Okay, IF config. Okay, PNet 0. Okay, you can see this is the IP address from where we can able to access it now. Okay, this IP address we need to put it in your web browser now. Okay, let's do that. HTTP. See, now yesterday, because yesterday it was coming 196, now it is 195, because so from DHCP it's getting the IP address. But statically, I should give the IP address for these two EVNG, but I'll do it later. Okay, not now. IP address is 195. Right, showing EVNG. So EVNG stands for Emulated Virtual Environment Next Generation. Okay. So password is admin. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. See, this is the lab. I think yesterday I did some lot of one lab I did. Sorry, guys. I think I did some lot of Palo Alto labs. You can see this side-to-side VPN in BGP, in Palo Alto static and default routing. Okay, the BGP lab yesterday, so I did this one. Okay, so this is a lab. So just open, just click on it. How to create the file? It's very simple. So just add the new one, add the new tab. So it will ask you, we can create the new one. So yesterday I did this one. This is the lab guide yesterday, which I designed. The IP address, just I changed only this IP address. The remaining all are same. Okay, you want me to do the same lab, or shall I go for new topology? Same thing, what I have connected. Let use the same one, because it takes time to load this all devices. Okay, the topology, right, as per things what we have given. So whether you can on individually, okay, or we can all the device at the same time.
Turn on all the nodes.
Yeah, so like even we can make it big or small, like your.
Oh, this is visible. This is
visible, right? Okay, let's start all the nodes. Okay, the thing is, guys, I have connected one real devices. Okay, so this is my Windows 10, and this one also my Windows 10, and this is your virtual PC.
Virtual PC. The name itself mentioned VPC.
VPC. This is all virtual PC. Because just to show you how these GRS will work, because the BGP is quite very important, guys, because especially if you are working for ISP projects. Okay, so let's. So what I'm going to do, guys, so you can change, because I like dark one. Is it okay with this one? Okay. So how do I open? So just click on this router, open SSH or telnet or remote login. Yes, open. So it will open the telnet. Still it is loading. So we can do just I'll increase the font size, appearance. Make it bold. I'll make it 14. Yeah, it's still loading now. yesterday I have saved this configuration. This lab yesterday I have done it. Let's see, I think whether it has saved or not. And this file also I can share you guys. But thing is, it will open in your only EVNG. These, these we cannot open in your packet tracer.
No worries, Touch. The thing is that a text file that commands will be same, right?
Yeah, same, almost all. We can see today itself. All commands are same. So it's booting now. Okay, at the same time, let's open my Windows 10. This loaded now.
Password is admin, right? Touch?
No, test T capital, test 1, 2, 3.
Yes, that VPC, huh?
VPC, no password.
Trainnig will open.
Yeah. For all EVNG, same password because even if you install in your server at home, okay, so there also you must follow the same thing.
In order to avoid the confusion of which one multiple
yes.
devices.
Yes. Okay, see, yesterday I have configured show IP interface brief. So we can see yesterday these are the things which I configured. The IP address, I have created IP address, and this is our fast Ethernet, and I have created 2 loopbacks. It is not deleted, so let's check for the router 2. Show IP interface brief. Okay, show IP route. Says already BGP has got pairing. So yesterday I did this lab. Show IP route BGP. Yeah, so he has learned all the network, and this is my R4.
AD value is 200, I guess.
Show
Was
IP
that AD value is showing us 200, Touch?
200, yeah. Because this is IBGP, no? Internal BGP.
Oh, yes.
It's IBGP. Okay, if it is eBGP, the AD is 20. Yeah, so now everything is configured. So let's check like what are the things I have configured. So let's check our Windows 10 whether they can able to communicate. I'll show you the first lab. Okay, perfectly is working. Then I'll remove the configuration. Then we'll do it once again. So let's check what is IP address for this PC. So he has taken 10.1.1.3. So I think I can able to ping 10.1.1.1. Okay, so I do have the reachability now.
Yes.
Yeah, so first remember, let me show you this. So I can ping right now. So perfectly is working, guys. See, right now I am into my Windows 10 PC. So where we configured your IBGP pairing. So this has got the pairing for remote EAS is 500. Same thing, okay, for router 2. So this guy has paired to these 2. Same thing, this router has got paired to these 2. Same thing, router 4 has got paired to these 2. Then I have advertised my 40 network, 30 network, 20 network, and 10 network. So each one they have learned it. But so this guy, router 2, cannot see these 40 updates. Same like, okay, for router 1, okay, this is my router 1, cannot see my 30.0.0 network. I'll show you that. But right now I'm here, I can able to ping to this guy and this guy as well. Okay, I can ping to this all network, which is my remote AS, which that is a lab, IBGP peering. Right, so I can reach which is directly connected. We have made only pairing for these 2. Same like, okay, you cannot ping from this router to this. Okay, that will do by using your route reflector. Okay, using loopback also will do it. That law will do it. You understood what I did here?
Yes.
So right now I'm into this PC, so I can reach to this PC as well as this PC. I cannot reach to this PC. So that I'll show you that now. So we can see here on your screen. So I can able to ping 20.1.1.1, which is router 2. Okay, same thing. I can ping to 40 network. Right. So now if I try to ping, so this 192 I have given. So 192.168, I think 3.100 I have given. So it is not reachable. We cannot ping that one. Same like, okay. So if I open this PC, this is a virtual PC, guys. How to check this IP address? Show IP. So he has not taken the IP because I have not configured any DSCP here. I want to give them manually. So how do I give them manually? IP, I think let's give this IP address is 20.1.1.2, okay, /8, and give the gateway 20.1.1.1. This is how to give the IP address for your virtual PC in your EVNG. Okay, now we can check now. Show IP. So now he has taken, right, the IP address. Okay, so now can you ping from his gateway? That is 20.1.1.1. Okay, so I do have the reachability now. Okay, now you check from my Windows 10 PC. 20.20.1.1. So now it is pinging, right? Got it, guys? Means I can able to reach to my this Windows 10 PC to I have the communication to this virtual machine. Same like even I can communicate to this guy as well. Let's check this one now. Right now, this is what is IP address for this one. What we have given 20.1.1.2. So let's give this piece virtual PC IP address 40.1.1.2/8. I think this guy also has not yet given any IP address. So let's do that. Okay, so I'll open this virtual PC. Show IP. Yeah, he has taken the IP address now. So let's ping from here itself. Let's ping that IP address. What is the IP address for this one? I think 10.1.1.2. I don't know what is the IP address for this one. Let's check this one. How to check IP config? 3. This guy is 3. Okay, so let's go to that VPC E8, I guess. Yeah. 3. Yes, I have the reachability, right? So each one is communicating to each other. Understood, guys? So everything is working perfectly. Okay, same like from this PC. Okay, let's ping to this one, vice versa, because they are right now have the communication to each other. So now I am going to show you the configuration. What are the things I have configured? Show run. Same command. What are the packet tracer you have command? Same command it was. Same command for the real devices also, guys. Okay, I have created the telnet also. So telnet, I have given some encryption. Cisco. Telnet is not working. That I need to fix the issue. Yeah, so this is what I have configured. Okay, so what is the good thing is here? So I can able to copy and paste. Very good, right? These are BGP. And rest of the things, I think you can able to do it, right? How to assign the IP address. Right. So same thing, I can copy from router 2 as well. Show run. Same thing, I'll copy and paste. Halas. Okay, so here I think I copy this. So this is my R2. Now this is understanding as we should enter into the global configuration mode, then we have to type. Show run. Yeah. R3. Okay, so this is my R3. Is it interesting, right, guys? Shortcut, I should not. Shortcut, I should not show you interest. Shortcut, I should not show you because everything will become a spoon feeding for you guys. I want you people to type from right from scratch because how much you've done the practice, it will make you perfect, guys.
Yes.
Yeah,
The thing is, just give some spaces between the one R1, R2, and R2.
yeah, that I will do. I'll make it small. I think it has become very big now. I'll make it
one R1. One.
Right now it has taken 22. Let's take 80.
That one, number two.
And one more good thing is that saying copy and paste the command. That's it.
Yes, that's powerful copy. Powerful code.
Control C, Control V, very powerful. Okay, so what I will do, guys? Just I remove all the configuration now. Okay.
I will tell you orally that so that we will finish.
Okay, so what I will do, guys? Let's do from your side because your commands are there because let's see how people will do. Okay, I'll do means just I'll remove the no router BGP 500. So my job is very simple. So now it has been removed here, deleted, and we cannot see any BGP now. So IP route BGP.
What is this one? This one the BGP configuration we have to set, right?
Yes, only BGP, no router BGP. Because anyhow, teamwork is very important, right?
Yes, yes.
Here also I removed. And for R3, this is my R3. Okay, no router BGP 500. And my last router, this is my R4. No router BGP 500. So everything I removed it now, BGP now. So because I did some changes in R3, so let's put it exactly. Suppose, let me check. Show IP interface because I was doing some experiment. I will not do just copy paste. I will do some R&D. What happened? I will remove this one. See, I have given like 100 dot this one. So I'll change to 30 network. Okay, so interface gigabyte 0/3. Okay, so IP address directly I can do 30.1.1.1 Yes, I say no shut. Show run. Show run. And same thing as don't use the tab key if I have the remote access.
Hmm.
And there is some software, even tab key also it will work. Where is that? The interface 30.1.1. Okay. So let's check the IP address, what it has taken this PC. How do I check, guys?
Command or Windows run.
Okay,
Windows R, you can type
it's
it.
open here. So IP config. Okay, it has taken 192 3.1.
3.2.
So it should be a 30.
Yes.
Right. So how to do that?
And you have to copy paste it.
ncpa.cpl. How to do that, guys? Because I have configured DHCP there.
Hmm.
Obtain an IP address automatically. What I should do now? So what I will do, just disable and enable,
again enable.
it. Now it will send the ARP message. See, is trying to send the ARP message. The moment I have given ARP message, so here you'll pop up one message from right side of your screen. So you want to identify the one of the network. I think DHCP is already configured. Let's check whether we configure DHCP. This is our router 3. Let's check. I think DHCP is not configured. Yeah, it's configured. Oh, it's configured with this network.
3.0 network.
Yes, yes.
So
Means,
take a 3 for 3.
yeah. So I need to remove that.
Yeah.
No, just go no. Okay. Where is that? DHCP. Yeah. Select that only PC, guys. In a real device also, guys. Real device, select that one, just right click.
Copy, paste.
Just right click, it will come down. Now I have removed it. Now, okay, this guy will not get the IP address. Let's check what IP address now it has taken. It has taken the same IP address. Right? So what we should do now? Okay,
again disable and enable.
No, we have not configured DHCP. No? We have removed it, DHCP pool.
We have rebooted. Again, you have to reconfigure the DHCP.
Yeah, so let's do that. So IP, what is IP address for this one? Do show IP interface brief. So we have given 30.1.1.1. Okay, what is IP address interface? 2, we have given 3.0 network. Okay. Be carefully while giving the DHCP, guys. For 2, we have given this IP address. And for 3, there is 3. 3 we have not yet connected. We have given for the wrong interface. That's the reason it's taking the same IP address. Got it, guys? 3, we are not using this interface.
Yes.
Okay, let's remove that. Okay, so interface gigabyte 0/3. No IP address. So let's go to 2 IP address 30.1.1.1. So 255.0.0.0. Let's see not sure. So exit IP DHCP pool. So say example, this is my sales DHCP network. So what network we should give? Network number. What is
30.0.0.0.
Okay, then 255.0.0.0. Okay. Default 30.1.1.1. So DNS, if you want, we can do DNS, or else we can leave it.
And excluded.
Yeah, that also we can give. IP DHCP exclude 30.1.1.1. So now check whether what IP address now this guy is taking now. Disable and enable once again. It has taken 30.1. Right. So I think can able to communicate. I think let's check. Now everything is remote. I cannot ping to 20 network from here. Right. I cannot ping. So previously it was pinging, guys. We have the reachability for previous. Even if you cannot ping to 40 network. I think I have noticed something here fishy here. So IP config. He has taken 30.0.0.1. The gateway is 30.0.0.1. Why he has taken that?
Because network is what we have given as 30.0 network. And we have excluded that is a 1.1 30.1.1.1. It's a gateway.
Yes.
Apart from that, it has taken.
Show IP. Okay, this guy has not taken. How to give the IP address for virtual PC? IP. Okay, say example, this is our 30.0.0.2/8 and the gateway is 30.1.1.1. Okay, so show IP. So can I ping? What is the IP address for Windows 10?
It's 30.0.1, 0.0.2.
Okay, then what is the IP address? 0.1. 2, right? He has taken. Can you able to ping to 30 network? 30.0.0. Sorry.
0.
1, right? The IP address is 1.
Hmm.
Yes, we have the reachability. Means they can communicate because they are directly connected. No? So these two are directly connected. Means this can communicate to this way, this guy, this one, because directly connected. Okay, but this network, what you are running inside, they cannot communicate to this one because we are not at pair yet.
Yeah,
Same thing. Okay,
now we have to give that. We have to advertise those networks.
Yes, first we have to, very simple. The lab is very simple, guys. First understand.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the thing is here? In BGP, first we have to pair with the AS internal this thing because you are running some different network in this router. Okay, first we have to pair with this guy and this guy in this router. This is in our R1. Then you have to advertise your network, like network and this 10.0.0.0. That's it. If you see, the commands also same. You can see, right, the command. The command, so router BGP, okay, network has advertised. First thing is, first command means you should use this command guy. First make the pair for R1. For the this R1, okay, I'm going to pair this 1.1.1.2. Okay, this is of my 4.4.4.2.
No, it should be one row touch.
Where?
Means let me tell you, if it is a 10.0 network at that R1, this side this is a 1.1.1.
Yes, this is 4.4.1, right?
1, and here it's 2. As per your topology, your commands, what you have given.
Yes, correct.
For this guy, that end, that side end, we have to, that side end of you have to. Okay.
Okay, same thing. Suppose if you go to the R2 now, okay, this is my R2. Okay, first command, guys, don't give this one. Okay, first give this command. First make the pairing neighbor 1.1.1 because this is 1.1.1.1.
1.
And remote AS is 500 because all remote AS are 500. This all router are using same AS. That's the reason we'll call internal BGP. We are connecting only our internal. eBGP lab still we are not started. Okay, then we have to advertise. What are the advertise we have to make? One network. This is this network in router 2 and router 1 also. 2 network, which is router 2 network. Okay, and 20 network. 20 network is this one, your internal LAN. that is intranet. 3 network, right? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Correct. So 3 networks we are going to connect it. Okay, same thing for R3 also. If you check R3, how many network?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, this is 1,
This
2,
2, and
and
this is 3.
3 network.
Yes.
Before that, advertising your network, just we have to make it pair with the AS. So pair, what is the pair for this one?
2.2.2.1.
2.2.2. This is 1. This is 1. This is
No touch.
yeah, correct, because you are correct. Okay, this is 1, and
This is 2.
This is 2. Same thing. This guy also we have to make. Same thing for your R4.
No.
So we have to pair with this IP address and with this interface IP address, then advertise your network. Which are network we have to advertise? Okay, this is 1,
1, 2,
2,
3.0 network, 4.0, and 40.0.
Yeah. Understood, right?
Yes, that means first step in the this one and this topology is to first we assign the IP address as it is, assign the IP address and DHCP. All those things are all basic. Main thing is we have to do a pairing of neighbor.
Yeah.
Neighbor with that particular AS number, irrespective of AS numbers.
Okay.
That is the first step, and the second step is we have to advertise the networks.
Yes.
Network 1, 2, and 3. So how many networks that we are connected with? That much of networks.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay. So now, because let me write it down the network here. Which network? I will write it down. This is my 30.0.0.0/8. Okay, let me increase to 14. I will make it bold. We can select the color, like whichever color you want.
With blue on the touch.
Yeah. If it is small, also no problem. So we can increase. We can increase like this.
But whereas in Cisco, we cannot.
Yeah, we can also do the duplicate for this one. We can change this one and whichever the IP address is there. And
Sharik bhai. Thanks.
I'm here only now.
Yeah, that's what Sharik bhai. It's thanks.
Why?
Even I too started writing all those stuff.
What?
When I too started writing the steps as well. Other things he's doing.
How guys?
Huh? Yes, that's.
You'll remember.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I will remember.
So, if you want this notepad commands, I'll share you.
Yeah,
that you can
share the commands.
Okay. How you want me to do, or shall I do it?
No, you do it, Taj.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So we'll do this.
That's what that you only do it.
No, because why I'll tell you, okay. The reason behind it, this is actually right now live you're doing that.
Yes.
So it's better you only do it.
Okay. No problem. We'll do it. Okay. So let's jump for the router 1 now. Okay. So this is my router 1. So go to global configuration mode. So router BGP. So if you type the question mark here, so this was not showing in Cisco packet tracer. Notice, guys?
Yes.
See, even it is showing 1 to 65,535. So that is advantage.
4929, 429.
Yeah. So this, okay, this time let's give, I will give the 600 now. Okay, AS value 600. So I will change this guy to 600.
So what is that XX? No, wait.
That is ISP IP address. We can give any ISP because this is only BGP is used for the big network, right? Huge network, especially ISP. Okay, because this is the ISR router, the high-end router which I'm using it. Okay, so first thing is first we have to form the neighborship. For understand neighbor with which IP address 1.1.1.2, right?
Yes, touch.
Sorry.
That one. Yes, touch. It's 1.1.2.
1.1.1.1.2
Yes. Okay.
because it's a neighbor. This one. No.
Yes. Okay.
4.1 stack.
1.1. Sorry. 1.1.2. Okay. Remote EAS is
600.
600.
okay. One more neighborship is what?
1.1.1.3.
4.4.4.1.
4. Yeah.
1.
4, huh.
Okay. Remote EAS is
600.
invalid. Okay. See, what is the mistake I did? I should give network neighbor 4.4.4.1.
Oh, you wrote network.
Yes, network. Okay, so be careful while doing that. So now I have to advertise how many network? 3 network.
3 network. Yeah.
Okay,
First,
that is
first step is
10.0.0 network. Okay, 1 network and 4 network.
4.
4.
4.00.
That's it. So here the new command guys. Okay, this command also not working, right? No auto summary.
No auto summary. Yeah.
It was not working. Here it will work. So even no synchronization also it work. So this is job done. So same thing. I'll jump for
Why no synchronization you took that command?
because everything it will happen in the looping because
It should not it should not come back because
same updates.
see
okay.
router 1 goes to router 2, router 2 goes to router 3, router 3 goes to router 4, right?
Oh, it should be in a cyclic route. It should
now
not
from
again
router
return
4,
back.
now from router 4 returning to router 1, what will happen? It will give the update for 1 also, right?
Yes.
So it will get a double this one.
So that is the reason. It will come from R3, R2, R1 also. Again from R1, from R4 to directly to R1.
Not overlook.
That extra advertisements, it's not necessary. So it will come like in a cyclic way. One-way communication, not 2 ways.
Double it should not get. That's what it is.
Yes. Got it.
Okay. So now router 2 now. So in router 2, so what I'm going to do? So router BGP 600. Okay. Neighbor. So which are the neighbors I got it here? 1.1.1.1.
And
remote AS is
2.2.2 600 and the neighbor.
And one more is
2.2.2.2. Yes.
2.2.2.2. Okay, so which are the network I have to advertise here? 20.0.0.0.
20.0
Then
and
1.0.0.0.
and 2.
Which name? 2.0.0.0. Same thing, no auto summary. Okay, no
synchronization.
Exit.
Exit.
Okay, same thing for R3. Okay, this is my R3 router.
That's one question, Taj.
Yeah.
Now, you are showing us in the live lab, but when we are doing it, this one we cannot do it on the Cisco packet tracer, right?
Yes.
Because the reason behind it, now we'll take this one configuration. If we have to load, that's what do you call
EVNG.
EVNG. When we load, I told you, it is not getting loaded only. Then how will we practice this particular lab?
That's what I told you, right? So I think Madam also given that EVNG light for you to install.
Yeah, she gave that light only. I'm telling, I'm not able to do it only.
See that we can install in your
already downloaded
VMware workstation.
VMware
workstation. Install in your VMware workstation.
Okay.
Install in that.
Works. It's not like a normal PC or normal lap. We cannot do it. Should be in a workstation. Means it should be in a highly equipped system.
Yeah, because it consumes more hardware resource, no?
Yes.
Okay, so we should install in there, and from there we can access that one EVNG. Then you can install your image files, which are like these all the things. Image file. This is already loaded. See, if we right click here, node, we can see right. This all the thing. The blue color. What are the things indicated? It has been already installed. This is checkpoint. Yeah, this is preloaded. So which they have loaded it. Okay, that Arista, this is an Aruba, checkpoint, Cisco ASA firewall. These are the Cisco products, Cisco Firepower. Okay, Cisco ICE, ISR, Nexus, Cisco UCS, routers, switches, not only Cisco, Fortinet, HP routers, Juniper, okay, and Microtech routers, Linux, Palo Alto, Panorama, then Viptela for SD-WAN, vBond, vEdge, vManage, okay, Viptela, vSmart, and VMware ESXi. These also we can access this, and Windows 10 and Windows Server 2019, I guess. So this list stuff is already installed. But we have to install this individually, guys. This is a paid one. This all thing image file, you must have it. But I have a few image files, not all. That I'll share you if you want. Once you install in your this thing VMware workstation, install a workstation in your laptop, sorry. Okay, so let's jump for your R3 now.
Yes, yes.
Right now I'm in R3. So neighbor, which are the neighbor I should form here?
R3, right?
Yeah.
It's 2.1.
Okay.
2.1.1.1 and 3.2.2. 3.3.3.2. Yes.
3.0.0.0.
Oh,
1 or 2?
2. 1, 2. 2. That's 2.
2.
A remote.
Touch, and this one, this light AVNG light is a community version, right?
Yeah, it's a community version, it's a free version.
Yes.
And some basic they have loaded. Basic CCNA, that part you can do it. Download and don't install, because don't install in your office laptop.
No. I'm not using in my lap. I have a separate PC.
Yeah,
Even I'm connecting with you with my separate lap I have.
don't use that, because it will be triggered, because that is the job of Cisco ICE.
Yes.
When you install any third-party software, so your ITT will come to know. You will get immediately mail.
Yes, that's
okay.
All those things in the beginning of before joining this one, we have signed all those things.
Yeah, do's and don'ts. Okay.
Do's and don'ts, everything, and I have completed that course also. After that only I was allowed inside to work.
Yeah. So I have to advertise my network, right? 30 network, then 2 network, and one more is
3 network.
3 network. That's it. If you type show IP route BGP, so he has learned 1 and 20 network, right? 1 and 20 network he has learned. So let's check, open the last router. This is my R4 now. Okay, so router BGP 600. Neighbor, which are the neighbor for him?
R4, it's 4.4.4.2.
Remote ASU 600. Then?
And 3.3.3.1.
Yeah.
3.3.3.1.
Then network? Which
Networks,
are the network I should
3,
advertise?
4, and 40.
3?
3.0.
Okay.
4.0.
4.0.
And 40.0.
40.0.
Then show IP route BGP.
No, Taj, for this one, we don't need to do that auto summary and all.
No, we can do it. Yeah, we can do it. Let's do that.
Then for router 3 also you have it.
So let's check whether he has learned some updates. Show IP route BGP. Right. So 20 network has learned and 40 network because it has got paired now because the AD value is your 200. That is your IBGP. Right. So B stand for your
BGP.
IBGP. Okay. So let's check for R2 now. Show IP route BGP. Okay, this guy has learned 10 and 30 network. Okay, so I think I can able to ping to 30 network, 30.1.1.1. Yes, I do have the reachability. 30.1.0.2. 0.0.2. Yes, I do. 3 also there, right? 3 is, I think we don't have connected the PC.
No. We haven't connected. The VP virtual PC that we have.
Yeah, let's check for R3 now. Show IP route BGP. So 20, previously it was learned only 20. Now it has learned 40 network as well. So even I can reach to 40 network. 40.2 is there. Only 2 is there. Okay, there's no other PC. We can connect it one more PC. But thing is, guys, when the device is on, you cannot connect it here.
You have to turn off the router. Again, you have to connect it. Again, it takes some time to get it.
Yeah, because we should shut down this device, this router, then only we can connect it in EVNG. Okay. So let's check for all last router. Show IP route BGP. He has done the 10 network. So having noticed here, so this router 4, first understand here, what did you notice, guys, here? This router 4, you cannot see this 20 network.
Opposite means irrespective of routers cannot learn the opposite of that one.
Opposite network is not learning. Same like, okay, this router 3, we cannot see the 10 network.
Yes.
So we same like this is your R1, you cannot see the 30 network.
Similarly,
here
20
also
cannot see 40.
So 20 cannot see here.
40. Yes.
Okay. So that one, how we have to solve this one? We cannot see it. If you want, I will show you this one. Check for R1. See, this guy 20 and 40 network.
Yes.
Only these two, but 30 network is not available. Got it? Same like if you check for R2, okay, this guy cannot see your 40 network.
Yes.
40 network is not
10
available.
and 30 it's available. That's what opposite of this.
Okay, if you check for R3, show IP route. So this guy cannot learn the 10 network. Same like this one. So how do you solve this one?
That's what you said previously in the beginning, that using that router reflector something.
So how we can do that? Means we have to make it pair for that one. How do you make the pair? Neighbor. Who is the neighbor for this one? Just make it connect. That's it. But they must be reachable to each other. Once they are reachable to each other, then only we'll get.
But we have to do the pairing only, no touch for that.
Yeah, we are done the pairing only directly connected. Indirectly connected, we are not yet done.
Yeah, indirectly connected, we are not done. Correct.
Yeah, that is called, we'll call it as your BGP split horizon, guys.
Split horizon means
BGP split horizon.
BGP split horizon.
What is this, guys? Okay, let me write it down this point. Okay, so any update sent by one IBGP neighbor should not be sent back to another IBGP neighbor. say example, okay, an update sent by one IBGP
Sent by one IGP.
neighbor should not send back to another IBGP neighbor. This is a split horizon rule. Okay, your BGP case split horizon is necessary to ensure that routing loop
Split or a slip horizon touch. This one.
split SPLIT.
LIT.
Yeah, split horizon. Loops are
Routing loops.
started within an EAS full mesh. This is the full mesh, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's a mesh. No, actually, it's a ring topology, I guess.
Yeah, it's like full because now it acts as your mesh topology now.
Yes. Now,
Now-
when we advertise it,
This
the
one, when you
opposite,
make pair to the directive which is indirectly connected, now it
But
acts
that
as
is actually mesh only, correct?
it
that
acts
becomes
as
a
a mesh
mesh.
now. It
That
acts as a
acts as a mesh. Yes, got it.
now it
Mesh
acts as a
topology.
yes. Okay, so now within an AS for all the routers within the
What is that? Within an AS, FULL.
yeah full
To ensure that routing loops are not started within an AS.
within AS for all the routers within the AS to learn about the BGP pair, BGP routers. I'll tell you that.
Full mesh, MESH. It becomes a full mesh.
See what is talking about. Okay, any update should for one IBGP neighbor should not send back to his neighbor. Correct. This understood, right? Should not send back to his neighbor any update, because what happened is it's happened this one, right? Looping. Okay. The second point is a BGP split horizon is necessary to ensure that routing loop are not started within the EAS full mesh IBGP pairing is required within the EAS, as all the router within the EAS learn about the BGP router, because when you make it the pairing, it will become the full mesh.
Yes.
Okay, it will become the full mesh.
Yes.
So if became the full mesh, what happened?
This one router 4 can communicate to router 2.
Because they are going to send updates if you make
Yes.
it pair.
Yes.
Okay, for that, what we have, there is no restriction mechanism available in your BGP. There is no mechanism to detect any update looping exists in your IBGP.
IGP. Okay.
Yeah. So what could be this one, guys? Consequence if you have this full IBGP mesh, what happened? See, if
That
you
would
make
be
it
overloading
pair,
traffic.
right now, see, router 1 cannot see this network.
Yes.
Okay, your router 2 cannot see this network.
Yes.
Right. So this router 3 cannot see this network.
Hmm.
Now, if you make it pair for using this to this and this to this and this to this, what happened? This will become full mesh, right?
Becomes a full mesh. Full mesh topology.
Yeah, full mesh only.
It will become the full mesh. And there's no mechanism for this one to avoid this. What happened? So they are going to create a loop now.
Yes, becomes a loop.
They are becoming the loop now.
Hmm.
Each one they will try to exchange the updates. So in
Yes.
BGP, there is no such mechanism. So black hole for the routing loops, update loops. Okay, so what is the solution for this? What is the solution? Already done this important point.
Yes, such. What is the solution?
Okay, in the full mesh, right? So in full mesh, so your neighborship, that is say means every router should be a,
Spelling.
where?
Full mesh neighbor out.
Okay.
Neighborship we have to do, right? Okay.
Okay, it's no problem. You can understand, right? Means every router, okay. So your every router should be a neighbor of every other routers within the AS. Okay, then we have to use the router reflector. This is the solution here. Router reflector. When you make the directly connected, okay. So what is trying to explain? Full mesh neighborship. So it means every router should be neighbor to each other, because okay, if you give the any update, it's not taking. That reason what happened. Let it make it neighbor. What happened? It doesn't make any difference. Even if you make the any neighbor to this guy, my neighbor is not only this R2 and R4. My neighbor is also my R3 as well. There is one advantage, because this is, we'll call it as a route reflector. The IBGP neighbor need not to be directly connected. This is not directly connected, right? These people.
Yes.
Okay, but they must be reachable to each other. Right now, they are not reachable to each other, right?
Yes.
Right now, they are not reachable. That we have to make it now. Okay, just we have to make it pair for these people now. So as per this thing, what I am trying to explain here. So we are making the pairing now. So these two all guys.
That we're able to open that notepad, that solution, right?
Yeah, I'll open that. I'll send you this file, man.
Yes, that's.
He will send that file. We'll write it.
Every the only the two words is there.
Yeah, no problem. You can write it down.
I have not written up because I am thinking that he'll send that.
I will send you, Sarik, no problem.
Yeah.
Digital world, man. You should because after our next 2 generations, if anybody see the pen and paper, they'll put it in museum. What is this paper? What is this?
Yeah.
After
even that pen and paper itself, now it become digital notes.
Yeah.
You are only using the same thing.
But that is only the savior, Taj. Pen and paper only is savior.
Yes. Always.
Rightly said.
Me or Sharik? Me or Sharik? Rightly said.
I think
I said pen and paper is the savior, I said.
Yes, that is right.
Okay, so let's do right from router 1. So let's say make it directly connected, okay, so that they will form a neighborship. So what I should do now? So enable same command like what we have done. Router
become a loop, like a looping if it forms.
Router
that would be like
600. So neighbor, which neighbor I have to make?
This is router 1, no, Taj?
Yeah, this is router 1.
Route reflector.
I have to make for router 3. I want
It's
to,
for 20.0.0.0.
we have to give for the interface.
Interface with touch. It's
Yeah.
gigabyte ether.
Yeah, gigabytes, so let's say 2.2.2.2.
Ah, okay, okay, yeah.
Okay, remote ASC is also 600.
Hmm.
Right, then. And same thing, you can do it in our R2. So R2, what I should do?
3.3.3.3.2.
3 dot
3.3.3.2.
remote ASC 600.
And one more pair is also there with touch.
Yeah.
Either 3 or 4.1.
Yeah, we can do that. No problem. Okay, router BGP 600. Okay, neighbor and router 3 to which I have to make it? Router 3?
To router 3, right? Which one you're open? Router 3, no?
Router 3. I'm in router 3 now.
No, sir. R2, I guess. No, you are right.
No, let me open like this. Sorry. Yeah. Now I'm in R3 now.
Now you are in R3. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
So we can give
But
1.1.
R3 neighbor, 1.1.1 also you can give, or 4.4.4.2.
Yeah, correct.
Got it.
So R4.
Either 1.1.1.2 or 2.2.2.1.
Yeah.
Got it. 2.2.2.1.
Okay, router BGP 600.
600 neighbor 2.2.2.1. Remote AS 600.
So let's see, show IP route BGP.
Hey, which one you're writing? 2.2.2.2?
See, now it is forming some adjacency, right?
Yes.
Router 4.
What because?
Huh? Sorry?
Which one you told? 2.2.2.2?
Hey, bro, in this one, see, at R1, in that fast Ethernet, you have 1.1.1 and 1.1.1.2. Okay.
Okay,
That is how,
understood.
that is how, here in the R2 to R3, 2.2.2.1 and 2.2.2.2. So at that end, what is that one that we have to consider?
Okay,
So-
okay, understood. Yeah.
Understood, sorry. Now
Yes,
we
yes,
have,
touch. Yes.
now can you see? Now in R1, so now the router 3 network you can see, right?
Yes, yes.
Got it. Router 3 networks you can able to see it. So let's check for other router. Show IP route BGP. Okay, so this guy also learned, right? Router 2. He has learned which network? 40 network.
Means that if from R1 to R3, either we can reach via 2.2.2 or 3.3.1. Either any one we can give, not both the network.
Yeah,
Both the
anyone, not both.
anyone, not both. If we
Yeah,
give both, it means it becomes a loop.
Low.
Yes.
40 network he has not. No problem, because we are getting the update, no problem.
Yes, now we are getting another.
Okay, router 3. Okay, show IP route BGP. So router 3 also is learned 10 network. So let's check router 4, last one. So previously it was not learning 20 network. Let's see whether this guy is learning 20 network. 20 network is not learning. Or what is the command we have issued? 2.2.2.1. And let's check the router 2. Show IP interface brief. So we have remote, we are connected to this one, right? Let's connect to this guy. right? Why is forming new adjacency? Now it's coming up. Yeah, so now it's learning. It's taking time, right? Why it's taking time? Because of the ADUS. He has learned, right? 2 network.
Yes.
40 he has learned. Okay, so now if you type show IP BGP summary, a lot of commands in BGP, guys. So we can see neighborship has been formed with these people. These all people he has formed the neighborship. ES value is 600, message received, message sent. Okay, and transfer for value, uptime and downtime.
What is that pre-indicate that 1.1.1.1? It's a neighbor network, okay. And
Yeah,
below that PP prefix received.
yeah.
What does that mean?
This is fixed received one. How many times it has been received, which version it is. Yeah, and this is the like neighborship hop count. Number of your hop count.
Means number of points from R2. 1, 2, and network 3. Okay.
See, now it's not showing previous because it was the last page. We can see right now. This is the state 3, state, and this one prefix received 3 times for all. Means 3 network has been connected, right? For 1 network, 2 network, and 3 network. And version is 4, and AS value is 600 received and sending. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So can we move for next?
Oh, yes, sir.
Can we move for next lab?
And what are the advantages of this one and pros and cons of this topology? Touch.
Split horizon. See, the problem is because they in a split horizon, so it will avoid the new update which is sent by itself. See, because I have given one name to you, say because like I'll give a name, okay, Vicky. I'll give the name. Same thing you are telling my name is Vicky to me back.
Yes.
It doesn't make any sense, right?
Yes, correct.
Yes, because what happened. So when if any notification, BGP down, why man? Unicast topology based remote from the section BGP notification. Router 2. Is showing some updates. Let's see. So can we can create a loopback, guys? Like if you want, okay, we can create some loopbacks
on the routers.
For your routers. You can create it here. Say example, loopback 1, loopback 2, and loopback 3.
Bit 2 to no touch.
We can create 2 to 3 like loopback 1 and loopback 2 here, and loopback 1 and loopback 2. Your loopback 1 and loopback 2. We can create this one, and same thing you have to authorize. Okay, that I left to you. Like if you want, you can do it that lab also using the loopbacks. So how we can do that, guys? You want me to do that is using loopbacks?
Actually, not necessary, I guess. When if you
just
use
create
that
the loopback and just
that loopbacks, this one is the concept same for the other, this one also that
same
command.
Yeah, commands are same. What we did, same thing. Same lab. Nothing difference. Or else we can create some loopbacks and configure some any other routing protocol if you want, we can do that one also. Any routing protocol inside also we can able to configure that. And that will become very big again, because you will get confused, guys. If I start explaining that. Okay, so anyhow, so this is the like lab. I will send you this one commands. Let's say
Ibgp peering commands.
Ibgp
Commands. Oh my God.
So let me send you this, because I should use secure CRT. That there isn't many windows that have been opened. Let me share you.
Sir, that commands and all you write it.
Okay, so I think you can check that one. I'll send you that. And this topology, I think I should save this one. I should send this file, because this can be opened when you install in your this thing. Anyhow, I share the command. You can follow that.
Yes, that's because no, the concept that we have understood.
First, concept is very important. First, you understand the concept.
So how to pair the neighbor, how to do it, those things that we got to do. Understood, right?
Sorry, understood, man?
Yes, Taj. Only for me that confusion was at loopbacks.
No, still we are not yet in the loopback. We are not done.
I'm telling that
Just create the
loopback thing
loopback and
only.
advertise. Just create the loopbacks and advertise this thing.
Yes.
Like show IP BGP summary. And think this guy, it will show you the details of your neighbor things, like which other your neighbor has been connected. Okay, we'll take some break, guys. You want break?
Oh, yes, that's.
Yeah, we'll take 1 10 minutes break, Taj.
Sure. Okay,
Sure.
so we'll take the break now. So let me open my. I'll close this lab.
The new lab you will create, Taj.
Yeah, I'll create the new lab.
Okay.
So this is my Ebgp. So I'll take the dark mode. So here I will take the only 3 routers with the different AS. Right now we have connected with the same AS, right? So we will connect with different AS. We'll use 3 routers. Meanwhile, I'll let Vikas come. Just will design some topology. That's it. You also learn this.
Yeah, I'm here.
Router. So I'll take Cisco router. So select this one. I want 3 routers, right?
Yeah.
Take 3 routers. We can see the image file, whichever you want. You can take this of the image file available. So let's take this router cell. So we can increase so that it can boot fast. I will take 4 GB, the 4 Ethernet interface. I want to open using telnet. Okay, so this is my R1, and this is my R2, and this is my R3. Okay, so let's connect these guys.
This one, another connection touch.
Yeah. So this lab I'm doing for
Ebgp.
yeah. So let me write it down text here. So this is Ebgp. Configuration. And also we'll do some verification. Verifying. Next, hop behavior. I'll make it bold. Like blue color you want because
Sorry, Touch, you're saying something?
No, you want a blue color, right?
Oh, yes. Thanks, Touch.
Okay, now it is visible, right?
Yes.
Even if you want, I can change the light mode. So it looks
Yes.
like this. It is
No,
okay.
let it be in a dark mode. That will be visible, Touch.
Yeah, but it will not affect your eyes now.
Yes, Touch. Or else you take Mr. Sharik Boy's color is that.
Color. Okay. So I will write only network here.
Yes.
Okay, better to take network itself.
Yes.
So we can make duplicate this and
We
I'll
can
not
edit it.
yeah, we can edit it later.
Sharik, what is your color, man? Favorite color?
This is only better.
Okay. No, which is your favorite color?
Red.
Red. Okay. We'll keep it at red. I know the previous one he read.
Hey, no, hey, no problem. For me, red, black, anything is fine for me.
If he writes in black, he will not get to know everything.
No, it's there, no black. It's fine. Hey, for me, doesn't matter because I'll tell you, as far as we learn, no, that is important.
Yes.
I think we can customize shape, solid state, square, circle, name. I say AS 500. 500 first, left side 500. Borderline color also. Let's say this one. I don't know how to increase this.
Width indexes -1. Border width, I guess. Border width. No, border width. Yeah, I guess. Border width. Oh,
border width is
thickness.
that. Background color, solid state, dashed, on, off, rotating. In this packet tracer is good. Let's delete this. I don't want to use this. Okay.
Or instead you can just mark a name.
Yeah, so just I'll mark it the text.
Yes.
That all you do it from your side. AS 500 is this part. This is AS 500 and this is AS 600.
But this is external BGP, right?
Yeah. Means only this part I'm going to use only for EAS 600. And same thing, we'll connect 10, 20, 30 network. This one also mentioned it here. This is my 10 network. Same thing, will make it big. This is 20. And this is my 30. A very simple topology. So we'll do this lab behavior of your basic lab for the Ibgp. So let's on all the devices. I'm not using the end user devices, just I will create one fast Ethernet. Like if you want, I will connect one loop back, okay, here, just for testing. Instead of this 10 network, I will use the loop back. Is it okay, guys, right?
Sir, we can even connect one end users, I think.
You want me to connect one end user device?
One is better, I think, so that we'll have that, this one, no? We can have that one more network.
Yeah, so then I should off the devices. I will connect, I will take virtual one, VPC. So I will take 3. So let's stop.
It connected with
It will show you from where to where you are going to connect it. From router perspective, gigabyte 0/1 and Ethernet 0/0 ETH Ethernet from PC.
Plus, we can place that PC in the top notch. So that will be
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So now it is okay, right? Now device is on now. Okay, the previous all thing is closed already, because when the moment you switch off, okay, your devices, so all your console of your telnet and VNC, it will get closed, your console access automatically. Okay, so let's open my R1. So let me increase the font size, change setting, appearance, and make it bold over 14. I'll make it. So today I'm scheduling for Saturday, Sunday batch in Zoom. And topic is OSPF LSA, EACL.
oh, so that's
Like if you want, you can join. I'll add it in the list. And they'll ask very good question, guys. Foreign students, blacks. I think you might, if you join, it could be very interesting thing. You can see the video, right? In YouTube, all videos I uploaded. They ask very good question because most of they are working for L2, L3 there.
Oh,
Ah,
great.
they are, yeah, they are asking very good questions. The blacks, Africans,
Hmm.
all entire African countries I taught.
Wow.
All 52 countries in their continent. Every country I have a student there in Africa.
Yes, that's the beginning itself is right.
Yeah, so I think anyhow I'll share you. You will get the links in the email.
Oh, yes, that's
If you want, you can join it. And this time I think from other engineering students also they are joining. Around 25, 30 people. The topic is same. Like I'm going to teach them for OSPF, LSA, and ACL. I'm going a bit slow for them. Some people they are not. They are very slow.
Yes, touch. Even we will also try to join that.
Yeah, Jan, it's very interesting.
Yes, sir.
But they ask very good question, man. Some people are there. Especially one girl is there. Her name is, I think, Malavi Clara, and she asks very good questions. She's working as a network engineer.
In India only, or she's from other country?
She's from Africa.
Africa.
Yeah. And one more lady from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Oh.
Zimbabwe. And she's also ICT manager. She's IT. Do show IP interface brief. So just basic thing. First thing is I'm going to assign the IP address, guys.
Yes.
Okay, as per the topology. Okay, so interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address 1.1.1. So I say no shut. And same thing for my R2.
That is 0/0/1 it is there.
0/1. 0/0.
Oh, 0/0. Okay, yeah.
For that one also I should give. Okay, I'll give that.
That's what, because for that
yes,
also
yes.
we should give, right?
Yes, I'll give that. So router 2, so gigabyte 0/0. Okay, so IP address 1.1.1.2. Okay, and then gigabytes 1. So IP address is 20.1.1.1. So IP interface brief. Check properly IP address, guys. First, whenever you check, try to escalate some issues in networking, first thing is check the IP address properly, and that IP address for which interface you should be in your mind before doing any troubleshooting skills. It's quite very important. Interface gigabytes 1/0 IP address. This is standard 1.1.1. So I say no check. So last is here router 3. Is it I'm going fast?
A little, a
Okay,
little fast.
little fast. In router,
You're taking for that you're taking the network. This one is 2.2.2.2. IP address.
IP address
2.2.2.2 you have given, right?
yes.
Only for the fast Ethernet, not you have given. Sorry, gigabit Ethernet.
Yes.
Not
Okay,
the.
so I did some mistake here. Can you see wrong IP address I given for gigabytes 0/1? It should be 2 network, right?
It's actually
Yes.
2.
Okay.
So that's 2.0.
Okay. So IP address 2.2.2.1. Okay, so I say no check. Then one more is gigahertz Ethernet 2. For 2 is
Where is 0,
Oh.
2?
Not 2, it's
one.
0/1.
0/1.
no, for that I have given already.
No, this is for R3, I
No,
guess.
this is
Okay.
R3,
No, no,
no, Taj.
No, R2. Sorry.
R2.
No, he's at R2.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Means first he did R1, R3, and then R2.
Yes.
That was the thing, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Do show IP interface brief. So if I check here, check properly, 0 is for 1.1.1 for this interface. Okay, 0/1 is 2.2.2.2 for this interface. Okay, and 20 0/2 is for 20 network this time.
20.1.1, that is 2.
20.1.1. Yeah, correct, no?
Correct.
And check this router 3. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, gigabyte 0 is 2.2.2.2, and 3 is 30.1.1.1, this interface. Done. Okay, so let's do the configuration for your R1 now. Okay, so for PC also we should get the IP address. We'll give manually IP address, guys. For one PC, why we should configure DHCP, right? Correct. 10.1.1.2/8 gateway is 10.1.1.1. Because if you have a lot of PCs, then it's recommended to configure your DHCP. Okay, so now this guy has taken. Let's ping to his gateway. Whether they have the reachability. Yes, they have the reachability. So same thing for this PC. You want me to increase the font size for this one?
No, it's fine, Taj.
So 20.1.1.1.
Taj, I'm not able to understand that. You have written this IP 20.1.1.2/8, right? Again, you gave 20.1.1.1.
That is a gateway.
That one was like 2 times.
No, it's not a 2 times, 1 time.
Up. There only IP address.
20.1.1.2 is IP address.
No, Taj, next. That one. After that, 20.1.1.2/8. Again, you wrote 20.1.1.1, right?
This is a gateway, no? This is the IP address, so this is the gateway.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, understood.
Right, so let's ping to the gateway, 20.1.1.1. Okay, we do have the reachability now. And last PC. So IP 30.1.1.2/8, 30.1.1.1. Checking the duplicate. Is there any duplicate for this one? So check 30.1.1.1. Okay, we do have the reachability now. So let's configure for your R1 now. This is my R1. What is the first thing is, okay, this is your AS
500.
500, right? This is, we should configure with the AS 500. So let's configure that. Okay, so go to global configuration mode. Okay, router BGP 500. Okay, so neighbor. So which neighbor we have to make it?
1.1.1.2.
Remote AS is 500.
500. Yes.
It's a 500, no?
Yes.
Okay, then advertise your network. Which network? 1.0.0.0.
And 20.0.0.0. 20.0 network.
20 or 10?
Oh, 10 network
It's
and
10,
20 network. 10 and 20, both no.
Up also is there, no? Hey, no, why 20?
Why 20?
Only one neighbor you have taken.
Then why 20?
Only from down, no, da.
Only one, no?
Okay. I thought of like Ibgp.
No, only VPC4, this side left one. Below
Only
the
left one. Oh, only one 10 network. Yes. It's a 10.
Okay. So this is done here. Okay, in the router 2, what we should configure? So this is my router 2 now. So router BGP This also belongs to 500, no?
Taj, I think so. This is the one. Even the network, it's different. I guess it should be 10.0.0.1. I guess, not 1.1.1.2.
No, first you tell me, I have to make it pairing, no? First for Ebgp. So for pairing, okay, first thing is who is my neighbor now?
Oh, that's what from no, for R2.
R2.
R2 is 1.1.1.1.
Okay, remote AS is 500.
500.
Okay, again, one
For
more.
remote is 2.2.2.2. Remote AS 600.
Yes, this is very important.
And there's one more also.
Which one?
Oh,
No, now we have to advertise the network.
Advertise your
1.0,
network.
no, network,
2.0.
network. Yeah.
Network
not
is
network.
20.0.0.
20.0.0. That one only I was thinking.
Yeah, yes. So no auto summary.
Taj, another two networks also should be given, right? Even 2.0 and 1.0 network also.
Directly connected, not required, not to
Not
advertise.
required. Okay.
Directly connected, because in the router one I have given, which is not required. For directly connected network, should not configure with that.
Not because not. But whereas in IBGP you have given, you have advertised the network as well.
Yes. No need to do that. Because why in IBGP we have connected the 4 routers. What about the directly connected, indirectly connected router? They will not get that link updates. Is good question, man. I forgot to tell you this.
Yes.
See, in the previous lab, we have connected one more router here.
Yes.
Right, one more router we have connected. Here we are running this network, 10 network. So in this router, we are advertising 1 network and 4 network.
4 network as well as
right. So what about this guy? This guy will not get this update.
Yes.
Because it is not connected directly.
Yes, it is. We have to connect it indirectly.
Okay, for indirectly network, you have to advertise.
Advertise the network.
Then you make the pairing. You make the pairing. Remote AS is your 600. Then this update will receive to update his in his routing table. This update and this network also it will update in his routing table. The routing table it will update. Otherwise, it will not update. Now the update how we are getting. So B200 slash some metric value with some interface, right? Interface name. So now here in this scenario, you should get 20 as we are into different EAs. One EAS is 500, one EAS is 600. This is our lab. So let's do that. Okay. So now we should do in your router 3. So router BGP. So router which router 3 is what? 600. Right. So who is my neighbor here?
Neighbor is
2.1.
2.2.2.2.
Remote
AS 600.
500. So what you have to advertise?
Hey, no, Taj. That's 600, right?
500.
Oh, means 1.1.2 and 2.2.1 will be under 500.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes. These all guys belongs to AS 500.
Okay.
So these network belongs to 600. Different AS.
Oh, this is the external one. Okay.
Within BGP means we'll call IBGP. When you are connecting from
AS
other
number,
BHP, then we'll call it as your
Ebgp.
Got it?
Yeah, understood, Taj.
Yeah, so this is what I'm doing it now. Okay, network. Yes, advertise your network. So say no auto summary. Okay, no synchronization. Exit. Right. So if you check in R2, let's check what update R2 has because it's a center router, right? Show IP BGP summary. So he has formed the neighborship 11 and 22 with the AS 500 and 600.
600. Yes.
If you type a show IP BGP, so 20 network which they are running inside. The weight is 32,761. Your I is nothing but a internal. Your I is nothing but your internal.
That is IGB.
Show
IBGP.
IP BGP. Okay, so this is the command very important, especially for those who want to learn in BGP. Show IP BGP. See, these are the parameters, guys. So where we should do the lot of labs here. History, demand, validated, best path. Okay, I means internal, R means RAB failure, S means stale, multipath, okay, B means backup path. Okay, receiving filters, best external, additional paths. Okay, so these are the things like which in BGP is going to do a lot of calculations. Okay, if we check for R1, let's see R1 what this guy has learned. Okay, show IP route BGP. So this guy has not learned anything.
Yeah, he's not got any update.
He's not got any update. Okay, so what is the issue here? So he must get 20 network, right?
This is from R1 or R2 touch?
This is
R1.
R1. This is R1.
Hmm.
So why this guy is not receiving?
Still, this one that we haven't advertised that the external this one.
In router 2, okay, so in router 2, check 2 network he has learned. Okay, show IP route BGP. This guy also not learn anything.
He
So,
also not learned.
okay, so what we should do here?
You have to advertise network pages. That only I think so they could have.
Can you advertise the middle network 1.0.0.0 and
2.0.0.2
network?
Yes.
Show IP route BGP. Okay, so same thing check.
Still no.
Still no. Wait, because you know from 280 to 280 to 2080.
Yes.
Got it?
Hmm.
Router BGP, this is 600, right?
Yes.
So just advertise this network 20 network. Not required because they should learn show IP route BGP. Sorry, BGP.
So for this also 2 network also we have to advertise, no touch, instead of 20.
It's not required because actually technically speaking, see,
Not
EPT
required.
is not required. So it's not showing now. So let's wait. Okay, so meanwhile, check. See, directly connected now. So these people are directly connected. So these people directly connected. Okay, no need to advertise your.
When you are, yeah, correct. When it is directly connected, no need of showcasing that network.
Yeah.
Because it's directly
And first
auto.
understand. Okay, so these guys are running with your IBGP. Okay, IBGP is 200, and this guy is running your EBGP. That is 20. It has got very good path to exchange their updates, so they are taking time. So
Because 200 has to get reduced to 20, right?
So let's check a show IP interface brief. Check the interface. So properly we assign the IP address. Is there any interfaces down?
Just a second touch.
1.0.
1.1 is up.
0/1 network.
Both are up, no?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check for auto 2.
Yes.
Show IP
IP
interface.
interface brief.
Here, 3 networks should be there here.
See, one network is done. Can you notice here?
Yes, yes.
2.0 network is down.
Okay, what we should do now? So just enter. Okay, go to global controller interface, gigabyte,
Internet 0/0.
then you no check. See, now it's coming up. Show IP route BGP.
Yeah, IP interface.
So neighbor is up now. Now we are getting updates. Can you see?
Now he is forming that. Yeah.
Yes. Can you see now? Router 2 has learned
10 network.
10 network with the 200 AD. So let's check
Yes.
R1 now.
He also got it already.
Yeah, so 20 network he has learned.
Because that router 2 was not shut down. That is, there is no shutdown command was not given. So it
Yeah.
was not giving any update.
Yeah,
It has learned 2 networks. No, that's 20 and 2 network.
yeah, 2 network. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now check the R3 now, which is very important.
Yeah, here he has to get both there.
So in router 3, okay, so you must get the update. So what is the problem with the router 3?
Do this one touch, show interface brief.
Show IP interface brief. So okay, this is also
There also it is down.
Where?
It's down. First one. 2.2.2 is down.
Yes.
interface gigabytes.
Gigabyte.
Because wantedly I did, whether you people are able to find out or not. Okay, so I'll say no check.
No, Taj, actually you were when you were typing too fast. So I told you go a little fast, Taj. Now see all the 3 networks is working.
All 3 network is available. See the notice here, this is he has learned 20, the AD value 20.
Yeah.
Means, okay, so he has learned with the AD value, that is where external BGP.
Yeah, it's written there, no, so Taj B.
Yeah, so B. You can see 20. This is very important. The lab for this one is 20. Because this network, this all network belongs to which one? This belongs to IBGP, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, he has learned from this IBGP network to your EBGP network by using 20 only. Because this AD value is how much, guys? 200.
EBGP is 20 and IGP
is 200. Because he's learning with that 20 means the reliability will be very good here. That is the advantage of most of the organizations. They use your EBGP.
Yes.
Whenever you want to connect, maybe you are running inside, maybe you are running some internal your OSPF also we can run. Okay, you can run here EHRP, do the redistribution. That is a separate topic.
So whatever the routing actions that we did, we can do it within the AS.
Yes, yes. Understood, guys? I think we can reach, right? Like 20.1.1.1.
Yeah, now it
Yes.
will.
So I think 10 network.
10 network. Yes.
What about 10.2? For virtual PC also we can reach. Okay, even 20 network, 20 PC. So because the communication is quite very fast here.
Yes. The moment you give it comes.
Okay, so you want this command for this one, guys?
Yes, touch.
Okay, so I think I should copy this all the commands.
Is this?
Show run. Let me open my notepad. Tea break. Because some people are live, they think they'll not be, they'll not come back. So
Correct.
because I put it in notepad, they will think that okay, I think Taj is stop training. They will think like this. Okay, this is my R1. And next thing, one more thing interesting I'll show you in package this. And same thing in how we are doing.
You told which one that on VMware, what you said? VMware?
VMware ESXi.
ESXi.
Don't worry, man. You have very good resource at your home. You are not utilizing.
Taj, I am somewhere, he is somewhere, Taj. VMware, what you said?
ESXi. आप आपके मामू को एक काम करो, एक सर्वर आपके घर पे लेकर आ जाओ.
हाँ, हो पूछना पड़ेगा उसको.
आपके लाइक सारिक भाई को पूछो. Oh, he'll ask lot of questions. You listen.
No, he will not ask me anything much, Taj.
हाँ, वही तो है ना, लाइक आप उनकी दीदी के जो बेटे हो, very you have got very
He
good
will not ask
advantage.
me much questions and all.
But gentleman, man, I like your mamu.
He is a gentleman.
Yeah.
He is a gentleman.
You know what happened? Because we are in one group, sorry.
Ah.
Since I think 5-6 years, 8 or 9 years, I think. So 7-8 years back, I posted some wrong information regarding about Islam. I don't know, because forwarded message, you know.
You just forwarded without this one.
Verification. So one
important.
guy opposed me in the group. We are doing two to my mind.
Oh God.
So Sariq Bhai was there in that group.
Oh, Sakib Bhai.
Yeah, like you know what he did? Okay. He messaged me separately. Raj Bhai, what you sent, that is wrong. Okay, so because in the hadith also it's there. If any things come to any information, okay, that is a split horizon, guys.
It's when it is reality only we have to do it.
In the hadith also is there, because when you got any information, please verify and pass to other people.
Send, yeah, correct.
That is a split horizon. Split horizon, what it does mean, it will not send the information which has come to me again. If I send to information to you, okay, you should not send me back. That is a split horizon. It's not, should not repeat. Same thing in the hadith also. That we are talking, because one of the forward message I forward in the group. So one of the Mohsin, so one of my friend, he is doing to my in the chatting. We are fighting. So Shakiba, he come out. So separately message me that what information you have message, that is please delete that is wrong. So on that time, whatever the forward message come to me, first I'll verify.
That is important. You know, just 2-3 days back, what happened? My elder mamu is there. Okay, I forwarded some message about now Ramadan is coming. I forwarded like that only some message. Okay, he messaged me separately and told, have you checked the correct thing of that? Then I said no. Then he said always we have to validate and send so that other people are not misguided. Okay, what did I do? I did not even think second. But delete. Khatam. Why to chumma when we don't know anything? This is it's written here VMware vSpre hypervisor ESXi. That one only, right?
Sorry?
VMware vSpre hypervisor ESXi.
VMware?
vSphere it is written.
No, vSphere. vSphere also you install and VMware workstation. vSphere not required for you. Right now you're not required of vSphere.
But I'm not able to see only ES6, I know.
No, you can install. No? Like if you want, I'll send you the link. Okay, so let me open. VMware workstation. You can register yourself in VMware website.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me log in. Go to directly Google. Waste cop. Okay, you can buy or you can download. I think better to go for download now. It will ask you directly to where you want to install. So I'll share you this link. Evaluation version.
Yeah, sure.
So you can download this.
Hey, because you're there, Park.
Register yourself like Windows 17 is there. So here we can install via VMware. Sorry, I don't recommend to install in your EVNG in your laptop.
Don't want touch.
No.
Oh, sorry. Oh, Sharik bhai, I just put it in mute and I was just talking.
Sorry, I don't recommend you to install in your.
EVNG, yeah? Okay, touch.
Because maybe I think once I talked to the Shakib bhai, so we are planning something. Okay, I think he want to give the like lab setup. He has the devices because we'll do it install remotely. Then we can access it remotely.
Okay.
Why? Because once you install means the hardware resource will consume your laptop. It becomes slow.
That is also there.
Then why already you have the resource, right? Hardware resource. Okay.
Correct.
So better because already how I'm using it. Okay, remotely you can access it. I think.
Like that. Okay.
Yeah, rather than like installing this all this we can say garbage in just you're installing garbage in your laptop. Don't install.
It will be too heavy also.
Yeah, because even though you have very good hardware resource, 16 GB is sufficient. We can run it, but I don't recommend because you have the alternate, right? Very good alternate.
Correct.
Yeah, I don't recommend.
You can, that would be great.
Yeah,
right.
One more thing for the Vikas guys, Vikas,
Yes.
I'll give my server access.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you want to do this BGP lab, because you are working for L1, maybe shortly you will jump into the L2. Because
Yes,
you
sir.
must know about the BGP. Because whenever you they don't know which customer they'll put.
Yes, sir.
If the customer is facing for the ISP issue, means you should know the basic concept of the BGP. Okay,
Yes.
so BGP,
Yes,
so that we can hands-on remote access. I'll give it to you. You can do it. Same thing for Sarik also. If you want, we can access it because everything is already loaded. Because for Shakib bhai, it takes time to do the setup the lab. Because
no problem. We'll do like that only because I think tomorrow we'll do from your server only one lab. One lab, Vikas one lab will do. And
don't do any R&D, please. Okay, when you give the access.
No. That's what I told Taj first.
Whatever the labs that you give, only the same comments will be copy paste. Not more.
No, that's what I told you. So I told you that time only, Taj. You only do, I said.
Yes, we could able to follow it up with that one. Since it's an one is the thing is as he told the live session is going on. Point number one. And point number two, since it's an live, all devices are direct devices. It's not a virtual one.
Yes.
So it becomes a mesh.
Okay, one more thing, guys. So we can make it clone for this one. See, this all we can make it clone. Let me delete this one. And we can rename this. rename to lab 01. Same topology what we did here, same thing to be copied.
You are not charging anything for African people, right?
Yes, yes.
Are
Free.
they even concentrating because you're giving free?
No, man. And some people you can see, that's the reason I'm asking you, because I'm sending the link, you people are not joining. They are the 5 people, they ask very good questions. And some African, they are very intelligent. But due to the lack of resource, do you know what is the highest internet speed there?
Yeah, you told Natash 20 Mbps.
20 Mbps.
Oh my God.
Our VPN also will not connect.
For the VPN configuration, what they do means they'll minimize your pipe, your bandwidth.
No, what I'm saying is our VPN connection also will not happen in 20 Mbps touch.
Yeah, it is like more than 50 Mbps.
Because I remember.
Because what is the reason I told you, right? What is the reason why the internet is very cheap in India? Because we have got very good hardware network engineer support in terms of all software, network, admin, every resources are very easily available. That's the reasons you name the company is available in Bangalore in India.
Correct.
That's the reasons like technology is moving like fast anything. So that's the reason, because why I'm giving this, because at least let me know about my company and our company, because maybe in CCNA in another couple of months I'm not going to handle it, because I'm going to start with, I'll show you that one also.
DevDoc something. You said you're going to fly abroad. Okay.
Yeah, DevNet, and I got some requirement. DevNet lab I'm setting up.
What is all about? DevNet?
That is
device net or
developer network.
Developer network.
And remember, guys, let me tell you, because next thing is I'll show you a very important thing. You should start working on your Python programming, guys.
Python language.
Yes. Because
it is a super trend now.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Python is actually
this
everywhere.
Is the lab I installed yesterday. Yeah. So one of.
Hey, Vikas, did you join that Telegram group, da?
Which group? Telegram group.
I sent you one link, right?
Yes,
bro. I've just tapped that one and I've just joined that group.
I'm trying to learn this one, guys. Foundation of Python network programming. If you want, I'll share you this book in the chat. You want this book, man?
Yeah, send Taj. We'll see what is it.
Yes, we'll go through it.
Okay, I'm sending you.
Actually, Python is now upcoming trend also, Taj. I've seen all in this one.
Yes.
They're asking.
Just go through it, guys.
3-4 years back.
Because a lot of stuff is coming in the industry.
3-4 years back, only Java was there.
No, now Python is there.
Now everywhere Python.
No, not only Python. There are few more also. What is that?
Structured C language is also there. For
iOS
development, structured C, actually the structured C they are taking, not the Swift.
Whenever there is the opening in entity, tell me, okay?
Sure, bro. Rather than that,
Okay,
you have the direct entry,
guys,
while Trump card.
What?
Entry card.
So if you want, I'll export this for you guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think I have to download from here and then write it down. I'll make it folder.
BGP
labs.
That's this one also commands also same such.
Yeah, so I will send one by one, otherwise you people get confused. Mm. This is Ibgp, no? I don't know why it's getting, because commands I think already copied, right? All 3 commands.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll share this one as well. Let's stop. Ebgp. Yeah, I think you have received it. So we can do some hands-on and this thing, guys. So I'll sign out here.
Just a second, touch. Downloading it, that one. Yeah, can go ahead.
So how to shut down the EVNG, guys? I'll show you that one also, because many people, they shut down very, I don't know people how to shut down this one. So just open the EVNG.
And stop all the nodes.
All EVNG has stopped because EVNG, this one OVA file. How do I shut down? Okay. Shut down -H now.
On terminal, something commands will be right? -H. Oh. Command not found, it showing touch.
No, it works.
No, SHOUT, right? SHUT. Oh,
No.
SHUT.
-H now.
It takes some more time to touch.
No. It will work, man.
It's showing as command not found, command not found.
IP config. No, because my keyboard issue, because yeah, now it will go. -H now. Yeah. So don't do directly from here, shutdown, power off. It's not recommended, guys, because one of these is one of the best VMware product. The next coming technologies, so most VMware product are used, especially on the clouds. The VMware already stays integrated for network, virtual network, virtual switches in the cloud. Okay, so how to shut down my ESXi server? Okay, shut down here, just click on it. This was make shutdown. It will close this one. This is a VMware console.
Now VMware console is being completely closed.
Yes, complete is getting closed. Okay, guys. I think tomorrow. I think you understood the today's topic. I guess.
Yes, that's clearly we understood.
BGP. So tomorrow I am going to discuss about wireless.
Wireless connectivity. Wireless includes Bluetooth as well, touch. Bluetooth and Bluetooth
we should discuss about the radio frequency range. Okay, what is 4G, what is 5G, and we'll discuss about how to configure the wireless device, that is access point. Okay, and wireless access point. Okay, so I will access my router, that is my D-Link router. Okay, so using that, we'll do the configuration, we will do the real configuration, but I will not do any changes, but I'll explain about D-Link configurations, remaining all are same. I think I told you, right, because
yes.
Yes, same thing, the basic thing will do it, because these are, they have added some basic things in CCNA. It was not there previously. They added. We'll do that, no problem.
No worries. Okay,
so
only fully will be like a theory part, right?
Theory part, we'll do some lab part also.
For wireless.
Yeah, in lab part also we'll do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in lab, in packet tracer, we'll do it.
Yes.
There
So
is
in-
a lot of things in packet tracer, even Wi-Fi routers are there, tower is there, everything.
You know, I have done the IoT. I think, let me show you that one also, because I sent one of the big topology, which I did for, I think Madhu, he is studying in UK. Yeah, IoT assignment. I think assignment I made it because, you know, this is what the people they are learning there. What are the assignment come, they'll send to me. This is the assignment I did, man. Can't you see? IoT luggage tracking system. This I did for them. This is the topology I did in packet tracer. Can you see? Here also, your Python.
I'm getting fainted. Seeing
Huh?
that topology.
This is I did in packet tracer, man.
Oh, great.
You can see, right?
That's what by seeing that topology itself, I'm getting fainted.
Where
think-
there is line, where there is what, everything is CCNC.
Still, a lot of things is in packet tracer. Yeah. This is packet tracer. I'll show you right now. So let me save user. So let me open right now, guys. This I'll show you this. Yeah, so.
During college days and all, in my I had a desktop touch. That time one day full of gamings will be there. in your lab, I used to see in your workstation, I could able to see only the applications.
Yeah.
Exactly a decade ago.
So I have the other one in Google Drive. So I have got big digital library.
Yeah, you showed when during giving a session at NTT.
Yes. Where is that map?
Sharik bhai, it's
Huh?
like an ocean. It's like an ocean, literally.
Oh, so many things he has done.
Guys, this is the OTP there, which I did. See, automatically it will get connected, guys. See, this is my wireless one. So you for this wireless access point, all people will get connect right now. Just see, watch. Even this tower also will connect for you. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
This is one of the UK universities. So they have given assignment. They are unable to do it. So I have done the assignment. So they have paid me some money for this. They paid, I think, 45K. They paid, I think, 3 people.
In pounds, Taj? In pounds, no?
Indian money.
No. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm talking about there in UK. It's
Yeah,
pound.
in pound. Yeah, pound. This is the IoT, guys. In for Saturday, Sunday batch also, I'll show them. Don't restrict for only, we can do only CCNA routing, switching, and basic security. We can do IoT also.
Right.
See, even if you go for desktop and you can able to configure, you can do your wireless also, Bluetooth, wireless, physics. So we can off, we can unplug this.
Wow.
It's interesting, man. It's quite very interesting.
I have
So
done.
Bluetooth, use application manager. You can use this application manager also.
I would have met you in the year 2016 itself, the moment I was completed my engineering.
Really, man.
Really,
Because that's the reason we tell you, I think, I don't know how much people are aware of this one in India. I told you, right? That is, I think, 6,735 engineering colleges in India.
But nobody is exploring much such.
So only less than 1% will get job.
Not even 1%, I think, Taj, if you see.
I'm taking less than.
Less than, correct. Less than, yeah.
Okay, 1 million password per year. Per year they'll pass out. 1 million. Okay, every year 1 million people are that is almost 10 lakhs per year. Okay, because first understand, most of the engineering college ruled by whom? Owned by whom?
Obviously, politicians.
Right? Politicians. They are not bothered about what
Student education, yeah.
education. They are totally
Only
not at all
paisa.
bothered. They're not bothered about these things, guys. So
Just
because
request the-
I'm not telling about, because I have the practical experience, because I used
Yes,
to
sir.
work in engineering colleges.
Yes,
So
sir.
2 engineering college and 1 degree college I worked in Bangalore itself. They're not entertained because I have given a lot of free seminar and webinar. Students are interested, but management people they're not entertained.
Oh yes, sir. Even in my college also the same thing
Yeah.
was happened. Even my HOD